a few tips to remember when you're batch filming.
Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada.
One is make sure you're in a great mood. If you're in a bad mood, it's going to show in your video. So you want to set yourself up for success by going for a walk, having a good meal, and really making it a day that you can look forward to. Because if you're not looking forward to your filming days, it's not going to be fun. Set up a routine which is going to allow you to get excited about filming days, because it's not just going to be like any other day, and it's going to show in your personality and your mood in your videos. Tip number 2 is remember to stay hydrated and have snacks available, because this is just going to help the day run smoother. I also like to have my favorite drink available, because then I really look forward to filming days. Tip number 3 is when you make a mistake, just start talking again. You don't have to press stop and start record every time. You just want to do it as a chunk recording session. So if you just make a mistake, just start again. And then start again until you get it right. And then later on in editing, you can just edit it all together. This way you're not switching from recording to setting up your shot to talking. You're just able to focus on talking and getting across your message. Tip number 4 is give yourself a realistic goal. If your goal is to film 20 videos and you've never filmed videos, it's going to be hard to achieve that, and it's not going to allow you to feel like it was a great shooting experience. Instead, you want to set realistic goals. Personally, for me, when I'm filming YouTube videos, I think 4 to 6 videos is my sweet spot, and it's something that I can comfortably film. Anything more than that is going to get a little bit more stressful, and I'm going to get really worn out by the end of it. For Reels, I think 5 to 10 is a better number, so a little bit more, because they do take less time to film a reel than it does to film a YouTube video. And tip number 5 for batch filming is to separate your days. Don't script, film, edit, post in the same day. Instead, you want to have separate days for all these. So first day, write out all your scripts, come up with your ideas. Day 2, just film, just worry about filming. Then save it all, and day 3, do your editing. Day 4, start figuring out what you're going to write. By doing these on separate days, it's not going to feel overwhelming because it's such a long day and you're just trying to get everything done. Instead, you're just going to be able to put it into small chunks that are more manageable, and you're going to be able to enjoy it a lot more. So now that we're done filming, it's time to edit. Check out this video where I show you how to edit your reels using DaVinci Resolve, which is an industry standard free video editing program that I think you need to download ASAP. And remember, messy action is always better than no action.